To learn more about second chances, let's talk to Lucy, whose entire family built their careers through AIM, including her brother, who now teaches here. Her story proves that a new beginning can happen at any stage of life, personally or professionally. With strong instructors, tutoring, and hands-on training, AIM is helping her follow her family's legacy with confidence. Lucy, over to you.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. As the year passed and I watched my family build strong careers in the aviation, I felt inspired to follow in their path. That's why I chose aviation mechanics at AIM, where my brother, my sister, and my dad graduated from, and where my brother now works as an instructor. It's never too late to start has become a guiding principle in my life. Thanks to my family, especially my father, I've learned that age isn't a barrier, it's an advantage. Beginning a new chapter in aviation after 30 has shown me that every experience I had has prepared me for this moment. My siblings motivate me with their accomplishments, but my father taught me the true power of perseverance. I also love how my academic interests and my social life come together here, making this journey even more meaningful. Professionally, this mindset pushes me to take on challenges with confidence. Personally, it's taught me to trust my path and value every step of it. It's never too late to start means believing in yourself at any age and taking that first step with pride. AIM gives me the support I need to succeed. The hands-on learning helps me build real skills, and the industry experienced instructors guide me with knowledge from the field. And when I need extra help, tutoring services are always there. These resources are making a huge difference in my training and confidence. My journey at AIM is shaping me into the professional I always wanted to become. Every lesson and every hands-on moment brings me closer to a fulfilling future in aviation. That's my story, Alex. The runway is clear, ready for you to take off.
Lucy, your journey proves that starting later isn't a setback, it's a strength. Your commitment to growth, supported by instructors, tutoring, and hands-on practice, shows how AIM helps students shape meaningful futures in aviation. Your family's legacy continues through you, and we're excited to see where your path leads. Thanks again, Lucy.